along with 6900 with Peninsula Light Company.
Now we want to get you over to photojournalist Olen Hogenson. And Olen, you were actually out there tracking the weather damage all across western Washington, and you saw this firsthand, but something just terrifying in Port Orchard. Can you tell us about what happened?
Yeah, well, like you said, I've been all over the peninsula, started up north this morning and came over to Port Orchard because we heard reports of power outages in the area and trees down everywhere. I was just got into Port Orchard and was checking out an area and decided to come over and check out a different area. And as I was coming down this hill, which is called East Port Orchard, I came across a small tree. I was waiting to go live at the time with our traffic tracker on KOMO, and as I was waiting, I saw a truck coming down the hill from this way, and it ended up, so let me clarify something. We've been saying that the tree fell on the truck. The truck actually crashed into the tree that was already fallen onto some power lines.
And did you have a chance, I understand that you had an aid kit with you at the time. Did you have any interaction with the driver of that truck? Do we know how he's doing or she's doing at this point?
Yeah, so interesting. I came up on the other side of the tree here, and as I was pulling up, there was two other cars, and they're like, hey, there's a guy stuck under the tree. And I was like, oh, really? And so I hopped out of my car and walked over there, and he was bleeding from the nose. Looked like he had a lot of scrapes and stuff, maybe possibly a broken nose. I can't confirm that, but he had a pretty bloody nose. And so I gave him some first aid kits just to clean up his face, and then we called 911 and got fire response here.
Oh my goodness, Olen, you're a good guy to have there in a pinch, but it just stresses the concept here. There probably isn't great lighting in the area, so when you're driving, that driver just may not have seen that there was a tree blocking in the middle of the road. So scary stuff. Olen, thank you so much, and I'm sure that person is thankful for your help as well.
Yeah, he's good. He's back with his wife and family now, so thank God. Just be careful with that in these dark areas, and pay attention as close as you can.
Absolutely. Thank you, Olen.
Just